Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the next class on polynomials and factorization. Let us recall about the yesterday class. In the yesterday class, we discussed about the types of polynomials and the difference between the polynomials and multinomials. Okay. Once seen on a polynomial containing one or more terms is called a polynomial. Next, coming for the multinomial, here I mentioned algebraic expression in the place of polynomial. Why? Because multinomial means we are taking here negative powers also. So it should be algebraic expression. Both the definitions should be similar and same. But here we are considering polynomial. Here we should consider algebraic expression. Already I told about the polynomial and algebraic expression definition. Every polynomial should be algebraic expression, but every algebraic expression need not be a polynomial. Why? Because here we have a condition that the power should be non-negative integers. There is no condition here. We have to take any power. That's why we are taking 2 by x by x by y like that. All of you note down these two definitions also. Already monomial, binomial, trinomial we wrote. These two definitions write clearly like this. Mention here the polynomial, here the algebraic expression. I think up to here we completed about the polynomials and multinomials. Next we have to move on to the next concept, that is about the degree of a polynomial. Next concept on degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial means polynomial is contains so many number of monomials. That is the sum of some monomials is nothing but a polynomial. Before going to discuss about degree of a polynomial, briefly we have to discuss about, I will tell clearly about the degree of a monomial. Why? Because polynomial is containing of different number of monomials, you should get polynomial. For suppose I should write one polynomial here, some x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay, in this we are containing 3 terms. That means if this x square is one monomial. Okay, next this is another monomial. Next this is another monomial. That means total polynomial degree we have to discuss means first of all we have to discuss about each and every monomial. That's why I wrote here degree of a monomial. Now here we have different types of monomials are there. For suppose between these two variables and constants we have into and divided by, those are called monomials. That is nothing but a term. Okay, it is containing of different term, first term, second term, third term. This term only we are calling as monomial. Okay, that means we have to talk about the degree of a monomial or degree of a term. Okay, first of all the terms will be like this. For suppose we are giving 2 is there. 2 is a monomial or not? Why? Because it is containing one term. Here we have to take 2 into 1. Already told this is 2 into x power 0. So power of the variable is 0. So it should be a monomial. Then what is the degree of this monomial? What is the degree of this monomial? See Nana, we have to find out the degree means compulsorily degree is a power of a variable. Degree is a power of a variable, not constant. All of you remember this one. This is a power of a variable. But here 2 is there. 2 is the constant, but it is not a variable. That means we cannot consider the power of a variable. That means we have to write this 2 as 2 into 1. Then it can be anything power 0 is equal to 1. That means x power 0 is equal to 1. Then we are getting one variable. So degree of 2 is equal to 0 here. Finally, we can take any constant, not only this 2. I will take some constants. 3 is there. For suppose 5 by 4. Next, for suppose some minus 6. For suppose any number like this, one fraction, negative number, positive number I took. Every number means we have to write this all numbers as 3 into 1. For suppose 5 by 4 into 1 or minus 6 into 1. There is no change in the value. Overall, all the numbers we should write it as 3 into x power 0, next 5 by 4 into x power 0, next minus 6 into x power 0. Everywhere we have to consider the power of the variable. Power of the variable should be, here variable should be x. powers of the all the three terms should be equal to 0. Then this degree must be equal to overall this 3 is equal to degree is equal to 0. Finally, what we should conclude here? 2 is a constant, 3 is a constant, 5/4 is a constant, minus 6 is a constant. Overall, we should consider from this what we should conclude means degree of a constant or constant polynomial is equal to 0. Okay, from this what you should observe, degree of a constant polynomial is equal to 0. Okay, next Nana, I will take we are taking constants. Next, in the place of this I should consider only single 0. 0 is a monomial or not? 0 is a monomial. This 0 we should call it as, we have to express in the power of some variable means we should write, we cannot write this one as power of a variable, not a power of variable. So how can you define the power of 0? This is nothing but 0 we should call it as, this is a 0 polynomial. So 0 polynomial means we cannot express as a power of a variable. So 0 polynomial degree is equal to not defined. Why? Because we have some value. For suppose 0 is there. Same like that, 0 can be written as 0 into 1. Overall this value 0 only, no. You cannot express 0 into anything means remaining value will be overall 0 only. You cannot express as into 0. So 0 polynomial degree is equal to not defined. From this, first of all, we told two concepts. One is about constant polynomial degree is equal to 0. 0 polynomial degree is not defined. This is a monomial. This is also monomial. These are the different types of monomials. One is about constant. One is about 0 polynomial. Next, we should consider 2 or 3 terms now. This is about single term. Next. First, suppose consider single variable. Okay, that is simply x. Already we completed about 0 completed. Next, constants completed. This is a nothing but 0 polynomial. Next one, this is a constant. Now I am taking constants. After we should take variable. No, take single variable x and y, or some z, some a, like this. What about the degree of this variables? See, x means it is a variable or not. No need to change anything. This is a variable. We have the power 1. This is a power 1. This is a power 1. Or suppose any variable is like x square. Or suppose y cube. Some z power 5. Okay. Next, some x power 6. Y power 7. Okay. Next, z power some 8. In these cases, simply observe the variables here. This one is degree is equal to 2. Next, here degree is equal to 1. No, degree is equal to 1 here. This is also degree is equal to 1. Power is 3, no? Here degree is equal to 3. Next, this is degree is equal to 5. Simply we should write only the variable having the power. Simply degree should be is equal to power of a variable. Same here, power should be 8. So degree is equal to 8. Okay, now single variables will be like this. This is containing monomial. The monomial power should be nothing but power of the variable. So it's simply we should write like that. But in the monomials we have another some more examples. For suppose take x into y. For suppose x square into y cube. Otherwise a power 4 into b power 6. Okay, next. Some x power 5 into y power 7. Okay, these are the different examples for the monomials. First I told this is a 0 polynomial, next constant polynomial. This is the third case. It is a single variable containing the power. Next, it is a mixing of two variables here. X is there, y is there, but it is nothing but it is a single term or monomial. how can you find the monomial degree in this case? Now see here, it is containing the symbol into means it is containing single term. Why? Because x into y. It is a monomial. Simply here we have two variables. This one having power 1, this one having power 1. Okay, this is x power 1, this is x power 1. In this case, we have to add the powers of the two. That means the degree should be equal to 1 plus 1. Overally, this degree is equal to 2. Okay. Okay, now next. X square into y cube is there. X square into y cube. Here also we have two variables. Next, we have to add the two powers, that is 2 plus 3. So overall degree is equal to 5. Same like that. X power y plus y power 7. That means degree is equal to here power of x is equal to 5 plus 3. This is equal to 1. Okay, next a power 4 plus b power 6. This is a variable, this is a variable. Add the two powers, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. And these are the examples about the degrees of the monomials. Next, degree of a polynomials means it is a combining of different types of monomials. First case what I told, 0 is a constant we should take. In the place of monomials, in the polynomials, we should consider this type of monomials. This type of monomials. How we can find the degree of a polynomial? We should move on to that. This is about the different types of degrees of the monomial. See here, sum of the powers of the variables in a monomial is called degree of monomial. What I told, just I wrote clearly. All of you note it on your notes like this. Okay, see 0 polynomial. Before you discuss 0 polynomial, we cannot express as x power something. So degree of the 0 polynomial not defined. Constant polynomial we have to express 2 into 1, 5 into 1. I don't write it here. Minus 3 by 4 into 1. That is minus 3 by 4 into x power 0. Okay, and same like that 6 by 5 into x power 0. Okay, this one is the same degree. Here two variables are there. 2 plus 3 that is equal to 5. Next 4 plus 6 10. Next 8 plus 2 10 like that. So we have to. Okay, now all of you note it on your notes about this degree of the monomial or different types of degrees related to the monomials. Next we have to move on to the degree of the polynomial. It is a combining of these all terms. In this we have different types of these monomials. Let us find very easily. We can, if you know these all degrees. Okay. And let us see some examples for degree of a polynomial. It is different types of polynomials. For that, how we can find the degree of a polynomial? See, it is a combination of, it is one monomial, it is one monomial, it is one monomial. Why? Because it is a separation between these two. If we have minus symbol between that, it is separated by two monomials. It is one monomial, it is one monomial, it is one monomial. Already you told this is a constant. So, what is the degree? This degree must be equal to constant polynomial degree. Already told degree must be equal to 0. See here, don't consider the power of 5. Variable only we should take. Here, power of the variable should be equal to 2. Okay, now next. Here, power of x should be equal to 9. But here we have 1 degree 9, 1 degree 2, 1 degree 0. So many members will do here. The degree is equal to 9 plus 2 plus 0. Orally degree is equal to 11. This is completely wrong, Nana. Don't do like this. Okay, what are the mistakes we are doing? Just I am telling Nana, don't do this one. Okay, again I am stressing, don't follow 9 plus 2 plus 0. Simply, it is a monomial. Polynomial degree means separately we should find the degree of each and every monomial. It is one monomial, it is degree 9. It is a monomial degree 2. It is a monomial degree 0. From those three, select the highest. 9 is the highest, 2 least. So degree must be equal to here 9. Degree of the polynomial nothing but highest power of a terms, that is highest power of the variable is nothing but degree of a monomial. Degree of a polynomial. See here x minus 1 is there. It is containing two terms. Coming for x, we have power 1. It is a constant polynomial. Degree is equal to 0. Here 1 is there. Highest is equal to 1 no. So degree is equal to highest is equal to 1. So degree is equal to 1. Same here. Once we will complete this one, after we have to move on to this one. See once here root 2 is there. Don't do nana. Root 2 is a constant. Leave. Don't consider the degree of a constant. It is a variable. Power should be equal to 2 nana. Next here x power 1. So power is equal to 1. Constant polynomial degree 0. Highest is equal to 2. So degree is equal to 2. Next. Coming for this one, it is a constant polynomial. Simply degree is equal to 0. Here x power 1. So degree is equal to 1. Next. Degree is equal to 2. Highest is equal to 2. So degree is equal to 2. Next. Okay, everybody understood? See, same like that. We can do like that. Remaining also we can do, I think. This one is highest power, x power. Always I am considering the x. Don't consider the constants. Okay, 3. Next x power 2. X power this one 1 means here 1. It is a constant polynomial. Degree 0. Highest is equal to 3. So it is the degree. Next. See here Nana. We have a combination of two variables. But actually x power 1. Don't consider -5. దీన్ని అలా వదిలేయండి, మనకు అసలు సంబంధం లేదు కాన్స్టెంట్. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ x power 1 y square ఉన్నాయి. సో take the powers of the two. Sum of these two means here degree is equal to 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Okay, only one term. Simply we have to add the 2. మీరు మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దు. నేను ఇక్కడ x ఉంది, ఇక్కడ x స్క్వేర్ ఉంది. నేను ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేయట్లే, మధ్యలో ప్లస్ ఉంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ x y మధ్యలో ఇంటూ సింబల్ ఉంది. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది మిస్టేక్ చేస్తారు. అందుకే మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. బిట్వీన్ దిస్ టు ప్లస్. దిస్ ఈజ్ సపరేట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ సపరేట్. Separately I find the value of 3. Separately I find the value of 2. మీరు మళ్ళీ ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేయట్లేదు. ప్లస్ ఉంటే యాడ్ చేయకూడదు. మధ్యలో మనకి ఇంటూ సింబల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే we have to add the powers of the two variables. Next, same here. Constant polynomial. This is degree 0 nana. Next here power 2. Highest is equal to 2. So degree is equal to 2. Next, here we have to do very carefully. Don't confuse. See here, what is the degree? 7 except 7 remaining 3. Power 3 is there, power 2 is there. So orally this is 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. It is the degree of the first monomial. Again we have another monomial here. Power 1 will be there. So you add these two powers. 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Next here x power 1, y power 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next, this is a constant polynomial. Degree 0. Select the highest among the total 4. Why? Because it contains 4 terms. Here 5, 3, 2, 0. Highest is equal to 5, no? So degree is equal to 5. Okay, na? Next. A for 6 plus B. No. Again, A is a one constant, B is one constant. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Next, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Next, 2 plus 4. Powers of the variables. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Highest, see, 6 will be there. Both are equal. Highest is equal to 10. So degree is equal to 10. We have to do the degree of the polynomials like this. These are the different examples in the polynomials. Some cases, so many members will do the powers of 7 to 6 like that. Don't take only 7 means it is a constant. Degree will be is equal to 0. Don't consider the power should be 1. Okay, na? See, 1 is there. Here 8 is there. Everywhere I wrote the degree should be 0. Okay, na? Constant, see 0. Constant 0. Constant 7 0. Next constant 0. Okay, 1 constant 0. So degree of the constant polynomial is 0. 0 polynomial already defined. That is not defined. Okay, na? These are about the degree of the polynomials. We have to write clearly about the degree of the polynomials and different examples. And this is about the degree of the polynomials. It is nothing but highest power of the terms are monomial. Already before we told about the monomials degree, how we should find. That is simply we have to find the monomial degree. This is monomial, this is monomial, this is monomial. Among those, highest power of the monomials involved in the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Monomial is nothing but single term. That's why we wrote term or monomial. I already explained these examples from. All of you noted down these 3, all are examples. Total I gave 6 examples. This is the 6 examples, all of you noted in your notes. Next concept, Nana, basing on the degree of the polynomial, what are the types of the polynomials? Okay, everything I am writing clearly, all of you noted in your notes. I have to send it to my number. Each and everything we have to maintain in the classwork. Starting the real numbers we told, another sir will continue the real numbers chapter, Nana. That one we have to write separately. This one we have to write back side of the notes. Otherwise, if we have two notes, maintain separately. Otherwise, if you not have the notes, write the polynomials one side and another side write the real numbers. Okay.